All right, check how you're sitting right now. Is it something like this? Are you putting unnecessary strain into your lower back? Here to help us with some relief for that lower back pain, we have chiropractor Nekessa Remy. Thanks for being back on the show.
Thank you for having me.
All right, we have some fun gadgets here. Where do we start with lower back pain?
Yeah, so I figured we'll start with some things that you can do at home if you are sitting, working from home, which a lot of people are. So one piece of equipment I think everyone should have is a massage gun, okay?
Oh,
and these
goodness.
are fun. I promise.
They look a little scary.
Right? They do look a little scary, but they all come with like different heads for different muscles, and pretty much it's just a way to give yourself a little massage. So all it does is it vibrates, and you can put it along the low back, the hips, the glutes, just to loosen up some of the knots that can happen when we are sitting for long periods of time.
Yeah.
One thing I will say though, if you are going to purchase one, look for one that has multiple heads, okay? Because you've got some that are going to be good for joints. You have some that are going to be good for the spine, and then you've got these ones which are really good for those muscles in the low back and the glutes. So you just want to make sure you get one that has multiple head pieces.
Okay, I was going to ask you, this one looks especially scary to me. That's the spine one?
This is the spine one. So yeah, your spine goes right in the middle, and these works the muscles on each side of the spine.
Gotcha, some nice vibrations in there that feel great.
Exactly.
Awesome, okay, what do we have over here?
Yeah, so this is a TENS machine. Now where these are really good for knots and things like that, let's say that you are that person who's sitting all day and maybe you get swelling in your feet or your knees from swelling. You can use one of these IFC or TENS machines is what they're called. And they come with these little pads that just kind of go on different muscles, right? So they go on to different muscles here. And then it's like a little mini massage, okay? So you just turn it on, and it comes with different intensities, and you'll start to feel like a little...
It's tingling.
Yes. Everything's working. A little tingling, a little vibration. So again, it's going to help, again, with swelling to kind of push the swelling out of the area and help to alleviate any pain or discomfort that we might get if we're sitting for long periods.
I don't think I've ever felt that before. That's so strange, but nice.
Yeah, and what I love about this is you can use this on acute pain. This you're not going to use on pain that's acute because it might be too strong, but this you can use on acute pain, swelling, bruising, inflammation. It's got a lot more use, I think, these ones.
So you mentioned legs and knees for this one, but just also work lower back?
Absolutely. If you're feeling stiff or tight, you can put the pads there, and that will help as well alleviate some of the pain.
Amazing.
Very easy to use.
Yeah, I'm going to take these off as we
yes.
continue on our next one.
Yes, you don't want to be attached to the machine.
Don't want to walking around with
it.
Awesome. Okay, these are some of my favorite things personally. Whenever I have any lower back pain, my gym offers some of these, and I love it. It feels really good.
Yeah, so foam rollers, I think, can be in anyone's home gym or hopefully at the gym that you attend. The one thing I want to talk about first is how do you choose which one to use, because there are different types. So they vary in length, but the important thing is the density. So if we squeeze this one, this does not have a lot of give. This is a higher density, whereas the blue has a little bit more give to it. So if you're someone who's maybe not necessarily an athlete where you're running marathons or things like that, you might want to stay away from a high density one and go with a medium density.
What I've been using, and I'm not an athlete running marathons. Okay, that's great to know.
So yeah, I would stick with the medium density, and you want to go with the one that's the longest because you can do more things with it, which I think we're gonna demo. I believe we have a professional model.
We have a model over here. Yes, can I call him
Choose me. So this is going to be a good one for anybody who's sitting, again, who's got tight glutes or tight hips. So I'm going to place the foam roller this way, horizontally, and you're just going to grab a seat on it, okay?
Sitting right on it?
Sitting right on it.
Okay.
And then what I'm going to have you do, knees are bent, you're going to lean slightly to the left, and then what we're going to do is you're just going to roll forward and back. So what we're working here is he's loosening the muscles in his glutes. So if he's been sitting down all day, this is going to be again, it's working. This is going to be a good exercise to do.
So nothing in the back, just in the buttocks.
In the glutes, yes, because that's what we sit on, and that's actually the cause of a lot of pain from people who sit. It's actually the glutes.
So the other one too?
Always do both sides. Yeah, the moaning means it's working. So this is
exactly. So I tell myself in the gym when I'm a little bit too loud in public.
So this is a great one, and you do it for about 30 seconds per side. You never want to do more than about 2 minutes on a muscle.
Awesome. Okay, we have 30 seconds left. Where can you find all this stuff?
All this stuff is on Amazon. You can get it anywhere, and they're relatively priced. Well,
a few seconds left. Where's your information?
At Dr. Nekessa Remy on Instagram and on Facebook.
All right, more Morning Live coming up for you. All the information on our website.
Yes, I'm a professional.
I want to try that in a second. Oh, that looks good.
Man down.
There we go.